Mastering the phrase, run it out, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the versatile phrase, run it out. Whether you've stumbled upon it in a book, heard it in conversation, or seen it on your favorite show, understanding this phrase can add a subtle nuance to your English skills. The phrase, run it out, can be somewhat tricky because it doesn't mean literally running physically. It's an idiomatic expression that holds different meanings based on the context. Let's break it down. In its literal sense, run it out might be used in sports, meaning to continue running to the base in baseball even if it seems like you'll be out. However, figuratively, it can mean to allow a process to finish or to continue until the end of something, even if it's not going the way you hoped. Let's put run it out into action with some examples. After the software glitch, we decided to run the program out and see if the issue resolves itself. Even though the contract had issues, we needed to run it out until the end. A common mistake learners make is confusing run it out with run out of it. The latter means to deplete or use up something. Remember, run it out is about continuation, not depletion. And that's a wrap on run it out. I hope this video has shed some light on this multifaceted phrase. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to run it out in your conversations where appropriate. See you next time.